Hey guys, it's Nakat. So you're thinking about buying a new car in 2025? Good for you. But let's be honest, the car world is changing faster than ever these days. It used to be such a simple decision. You'd pick your favorite color, maybe decide between leather or cloth, and bam, you were ready to sign on the dotted line. But now there's a big choice to make right out of the gate: electric or gas. Don't worry, in this video we'll break down the pros and cons of each to help you make the right call for your lifestyle and your wallet. Alright, let's talk money. Electric cars usually have a higher sticker price compared to gas cars. But hold your horses. Government incentives and tax breaks can really take a bite out of that initial cost difference. Plus, some states even offer extra perks like carpool lane access. Gas cars might seem like a bargain up front, but long-term costs are where the tables can turn. Experts are predicting gas prices to keep climbing in 2025. Ouch! Now, let's talk about the thing that keeps your car moving, the fuel, or in the case of EVs, the electricity. One of the biggest perks of going electric is the potential to save a ton of money on fuel costs. Charging your EV at home, especially if you can snag a sweet off-peak electricity rate, can cost a fraction of what you'd pay at the pump. Of course, with EVs, there's the whole charging time thing. While it's definitely getting faster with all the advancements in charging technology, it's still not as quick as filling up your tank at a gas station. Okay, let's get real for a second. Nobody enjoys taking their car to the mechanic. Well, here's where EVs really shine. They have way fewer moving parts than their gas-powered siblings, which means less can go wrong. No more oil changes, no more messy engine repairs. It's like the low-maintenance friend you always wanted. Gas cars, on the other hand, well, they're like that friend who's always needing something fixed. From engine tune-ups to transmission issues, owning a gas car means accepting the inevitability of regular maintenance visits and the bills that come with them. And trust me, those costs can add up faster than you can say catalytic converter. One of the biggest adjustments when switching to an EV is getting used to the whole charging situation. It's not as simple as pulling up to a gas station and filling up in 5 minutes. But on the flip side, charging at home is crazy convenient. You just plug in your car overnight and boom, you wake up with a full tank. Plus, public charging stations are popping up everywhere these days, so you can juice up on the go. Now, with a gas car, you've got that freedom to drive for hours and hours without worrying about finding a charger. But hey, maybe those charging breaks aren't such a bad thing. It's a chance to stretch your legs, grab a snack, and maybe even have a spontaneous dance party in the parking lot. Let's talk about the big green elephant in the room: the environment. EVs have zero tailpipe emissions, which is a big deal for our planet. By choosing electric, you're doing your part to reduce air pollution and fight climate change. Plus, imagine a world with quieter streets and cleaner air. Sounds pretty nice, right? Now, gas cars, well, they're still the main culprits when it comes to those nasty greenhouse gas emissions. Car companies are making strides with fuel efficiency and emissions reductions, but EVs are still the greener choice. All right, let's talk about everyone's favorite subject: performance. EVs are known for their instant torque and lightning-fast acceleration. It's like being shot out of a cannon in a good way. Plus that silent, smooth ride. It's seriously addictive. Gas cars, on the other hand, offer that classic driving experience. You know, the roar of the engine, the feeling of shifting gears. It's a visceral experience that some drivers crave. The verdict: which one wins? So, there you have it, folks, the battle of the automotive titans. We've covered everything from price and fuel costs to maintenance and environmental impact. At the end of the day, the choice between an electric car and a gas car really comes down to your individual needs and priorities. If you're looking for a car that's good for the environment, cheap to fuel, and ridiculously fun to drive, then an EV might be right up your alley. But if you're not quite ready to make the leap to electric and you still crave that classic driving experience, then a gas car might be a better fit. Now get out there and find your dream car.